Are you looking for the best portable gas grills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable gas grills that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. CharBroil Standard Portable Liquid Propane Gas Grill. With 11,000 BTU burner model, the CharBroil Standard Portable Liquid Propane Gas Grill is also one of the best grills you may find in town. It is compact, thus suitable for a small balcony. Its legs have the power to fold over the lid, thus making it look amazing portable from the place. Its heat-resistant handle gives you time to handle the grill even when it is hot. It has a steel construction finish for rust prevention. Number 4. Smoke Hollow 205 Stainless Steel Tabletop Propane Gas Grill. The Smoke Hollow 205 Stainless Steel Propane Gas Grill measures 27 inches L by 17 inches W by 12 inches H. Its foldable legs makes it easy to store and even move along with. It has a drip tray that is made of stainless steel, thus making it durable and rust-proof. It is made with U-shaped burner that gives up to 10,000 BTU. Its grater and lid are coated with stainless steel, thus making them rust-proof. Number 3. Cuisinart CGG180T Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill. With Cuisinart CGG180T Petit Gourmet Portable Gas Grill, you combine burgers, fish, chicken breast and steak in one surface. That means it has a broad application, thus good for outdoor use. Its legs are made of aluminum, therefore good for use even in dark places. For durability, it combines porcelain and stainless steel finishes. Number 2. Magma Products Portable Gas Grill. Magma Products Portable Gas Grill can be used while sailing in a pontoon boat. It is good for grilling brats or hot dogs on it. It has a self-healing capability due to the presence of a lockable lid. The handle is long enough, thus good for handling even while it is hot. Its legs are foldable, thus making the storing and moving along easy. The stainless steel finish makes the grill easy to clean and durable at the same time. Number 1. Giantex Propane Tabletop Gas Grill. With 22 inches by 18 inches by 15 inches dimension, the Giantex Propane Tabletop Gas Grill provides the required space that can use for perfect grilling. It is made of durable stainless steel, thus making it easy to clean. It is very easy to handle and operate using push buttons. The foldable legs also make the grill easy to carry from place to place and store too. If you like barbecue, this is the best grill for you.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.